I've come to review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical weed pulling tools, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. So there are many products available to choose from weed pulling tools, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best weed pulling tools from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Melissa and Harry Weed Puller Tool. Introducing the Melissa and Harry Weed Puller Tool, the ultimate solution for effortless weed removal. Equipped with a long bamboo handle, this weeder offers both durability and natural beauty, providing ample reach to tackle weeds across your garden without straining your back. Its dual weed eject technology lets you remove weeds by hand or foot, adding flexibility and convenience to your gardening routine. Designed with comfort in mind, the tool's ergonomic design reduces strain on your hands, wrists, and back, making long weeding sessions easy and pain-free. The heavy-duty 4-claw steel head ensures it can penetrate tough soil and grip even the most stubborn weeds with ease. Enjoy gardening without discomfort with this innovative, durable, and user-friendly weeder. Say goodbye to bending and pulling, make weeding easier with the Melissa and Harry Weed Puller Tool. Number 2. Grampa's Weeder Weed Pulling Tools. Introducing Grampa's Weeder Weed Pulling Tool, the original garden weeder that's been trusted since 1913. With its old-school, easy-to-use design, this tool makes weeding simple and hassle-free. Standing at 46 inches tall, with an 8-inch wide head, Grampa's weeder features a long bamboo handle, allowing you to remove weeds without bending, pulling, or kneeling, saving your back and knees from strain. Weighing just 2.3 pounds, this durable weed puller is built to last and designed to remove weeds and their roots with ease. The 4-claw design is perfect for tackling weeds in softer soils, especially after rain, making weeding much more effective. Plus, it's safe for children, pets, and the environment as it eliminates weeds without the need for harmful chemicals. Proudly made by a family-owned American company in the Pacific Northwest, Grampa's weeder is your go-to tool for effortless, eco-friendly weddings. So number 3. Fiskars 4-claw weed pulling tools. Introducing the Fiskars 4-claw weed pulling tool, your go-to manual weeder for easy, efficient weed removal. Featuring a lightweight, ergonomic design, this tool eliminates the need for kneeling or bending, helping to prevent sore knees and backaches. The long handle with an easy eject system makes weeding faster and easier without relying on harsh chemicals. Equipped with 4 serrated stainless steel claws, the Fiskars weeder securely grabs weeds in their roots for permanent removal. An offset handle reduces wrist strain, while the integrated viewing window allows you to see weeds clearly for more precise targeting. Built to last, the durable stainless steel head stays sharp through heavy use, and Fiskars backs it up with a full lifetime warranty. Whether you're tackling dandelions, thistles, or other invasive weeds, this tool provides lasting value and is perfect for transforming your garden into a weed-free oasis. Enjoy hassle-free weddings with the Fiskars 4-claw weed pulling tool. Number 4. Gardtech Weed Puller Tool. Introducing the Gardtech Weed Puller Tool, the perfect solution for efficient and eco-friendly weed removal. The upgraded weeder features super strong EBRI 50 stainless steel poles that are rust-resistant and built to last. The ergonomic D-type handle saves effort and makes it easy to use, carry, and store. Designed for all ages, this tool allows you to keep your lawn neat and clean without harming the grass or soil. Its healthy standing design eliminates the need to bend or strain your back, and it helps avoid harmful chemicals, making it safe for both you and the environment. The smart 4-claw design grabs weeds by the roots, ensuring they are fully removed, preventing regrowth. With Gardtech's Weed Puller, you can enjoy hassle-free gardening. Backed by a 100% satisfaction guarantee, this tool is perfect for any garden enthusiast. If you encounter any issues, their customer service is ready to provide a solution within 24 hours. Number 5. Rocklin Industry Weed Pulling Tools. Introducing the Rocklin Industry Weed Pulling Tool, the trusted choice for landscapers, gardeners, and homeowners across the country. So this tool is designed for ultimate durability with its hardened steel construction, ensuring it won't rust or break, unlike plastic alternatives. At 48 inches tall, the long handle allows for weed removal without bending or straining your back, providing better leverage for easier use. So featuring 1.5-inch spikes, This weeder penetrates deep into the soil to remove the entire root, ensuring long-term weed control. Whether you're a professional landscaper or a gardening enthusiast, this tool is perfect for keeping your lawn or garden clean and healthy. Proudly made by an American company based in Northern California, the Rocklin Industry Weed Pulling Tool is built to last and backed by a small, dedicated support team ready to help. Upgrade your gardening toolkit today with this reliable, high-performance weed remover. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.